Welcome to Fraum Health. We are here with our friend, Dr. Heather. How are you? It's so great to see you.
I'm good, Debbie. It's good to see you.
Lots of things to talk about today. We have lots of topics to cover, and I think one that is interesting and we were talking about today is women's health, specifically women's hormone health.
Yes.
And even more drilling down, women's health when it comes to perimenopause and menopause. So let's start and open this conversation with why is it such a hot topic? Oh, that was a pun that I did not intend, but why is it such a hot topic now?
I think the generation of women going through perimenopause are no longer willing to be dismissed and ignored about symptoms that are severely impacting their life, their well-being, their mental health, their family. They're no longer satisfied with the pat on the hand and telling them to deal with it. It's normal. Give it 10 years, you know, fill in the blank.
And it is normal. And that doesn't mean that we can't do something about it proactively and retroactively. So tell us a little bit about what perimenopause is first. And then what are some things here at Fraum Health specifically that we can do?
Well, first and foremost, I want to say the best thing that we can possibly do here at Fraum Health is listen to our patients. And believe them when they're telling us that something is problematic, disruptive, and distressing to them. And then join them in doing something about it in a way that meaningfully impacts them. So I think that's first and foremost the most important thing.
And don't you think that's almost the most
always
relevant?
Is.
Just if I feel heard, I automatically feel better.
1000%. And it also, you know, here's the thing, it's not rocket science. The patients will tell you what's wrong. They will tell you what they need. Just listen.
Just listen.
And believe. You know, that there is a predilection in medicine for not believing or dismissing, and that's not going to get anybody's health any better. So that's the first thing, is we can listen and we can believe. Number two, back to the original question, perimenopause. So perimenopause is not a structured set of time. It's a change of life. It's a change in hormone levels that happens over time. Arguably, possibly as early as our mid to late 30s, this can start changing.
Specifically estrogen?
Estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, all of the sex
whole
hormones.
Gamut.
Yes. And one thing, I'm going to take a moment to encourage young women in your late 20s and early 30s who feel good, please go get your hormone levels checked now so that you know what those levels are that you feel the best at.
Got a baseline.
Baseline is important. Same for men. Sorry.
No, that's good.
Yeah. So because everybody's different, right? And if you look at the normal ranges for hormone levels, it is a huge swath of normal. I mean, men's testosterone, the low is 300. And by the way, men who are down at 400 do not feel good. And then it goes all the way up to like 900.
Got it.
That is a huge
that's
range.
a huge spectrum. It is.
Right. And that's then where we get into personalized medicine.
So here we go.
Yes.
Here at Fraum, what do?
We listen to the patient, we believe the patient, and we work on optimizing their health. Okay. Sex hormones, let's not kid ourselves, sex hormones are hugely important to our long-term health. For women, we know that if we don't do HRT, it raises our risk of dementia, cancer, cardiovascular disease, all these horrendous diseases of aging. If we don't do HRT, our risk of those skyrocket.
And we know now that HRT is not the villain it used to be painted as. Correct?
Yeah, the conclusions from the WHO study, I think in 2001, were completely debunked, and we've reevaluated the literature.
And I know we've only got about 30 seconds because 5 minutes goes really quickly for us, and we've got a lot to talk about. But if there's a takeaway for our viewers today about perimenopause and HRT therapy here at Fraum, what would that be?
Come talk to us is the big thing. Come tell me what's going on. See what I can do for you. It will only benefit your quality of life. It really will. And things are never hopeless. There's always something that can be done.
Thank you.
Yes.